So the parathyroid hormone also comes in here somewhere, but we're going to talk about parathyroid when we do calcium. This is just vitamin D. We uptake vitamin D2 and D3 from the intestine. We can also produce vitamin D3, and we'll say in the epithelium. Epithelium produced vitamin D3 bound to vitamin D binding protein. So both of those go to the liver. The liver converts either one of those to 25-OHD. What that means is at position 25, remember when I made you guys draw that cholesterol ring?
Mm-hmm.
That's why, okay? Because I don't want you to draw this again, but when I'm saying 25-OHD, I want you to, think about what 25 is. All right, OHD. This is released into the bloodstream. The kidney converts this to 1,25-OH2D. And I'm going to star this. This is the active hormone. This is the medical measure in bloodstream. Once this becomes an active hormone, that means that it's sending a chemical signal to other cells. So it travels to the tissues. It does some other stuff, but the things that we're talking about in this particular part of the cycle is it increases calcium intake by the intestine, and it also increases calcium release by the bone. So that's why vitamin D is associated with bone health. And then, so we start talking about parathyroid hormones, and I don't want to get involved in the rest because this is more complicated. We'll do that after. But bone, like if you're increasing calcium release, right, you're also not putting it back. You need an active bone to both lay down bone and relieve bone. If bone is not active, meaning if it's not, taking calcium out and putting it back, it becomes weak. It becomes stagnant. So this one, keep in the back of your mind that yes, this is happening, but it's happening in a way that's not weakening the bone. Because when you go to vitamin D and you have deficiency, you have rickets in children or you have osteomalacia in adults, which are soft bones, bowed bones, bones where the epiphyseal plates, which are where the epiphyses are the ends of the long bones where growth occurs in children, those things are all affected by low vitamin D. So keep this, learn it, but then know I'm going to add on to it later, okay? So I'll say in concert, bone, in concert with PPH later. Because I'm going to modify this to make it more complete. But this is what we need to know about this for today.